Hey, I got an email this morning from somebody by the name Tony, and let me read it for you. He's saying, this is the second team, well, he was explaining what's going on, and then he's saying that this is the second team of programmers in my startup. I disbanded the first one last year because of serious concerns of their quality. However, with this one, I start having similar problems. What am I doing wrong when hiring them? And what would you recommend paying attention to when starting a project and finding a team of software developers? Thank you very much. Tony, this is so close to the question I was discussing on a blog post of mine about 2 years ago. And I had the same conversation, similar conversation with a friend of mine. He was saying that he keeps getting a new team after another team, and they all have similar problems, similar concerns with the quality. They start great, they promise a lot of things, and then they start working, and eventually in some time, in half a year, in a year, it becomes obvious that what they create is not of a good quality, and it's time to disband them because you don't trust them, you lose trust in them. There will be some conflicts, some concerns, some technical disputes, and then you lose the team and then start over again. It's not a problem of hiring, Tony. It's a problem of managing the team. It's a problem of staying on top of the team and controlling what's going on in the team. And I wrote another blog post about that about 3 years ago, where I said that any project, any software project has to have a series of independent, regular technical reviews by somebody who is coming to the project from the outside. From somebody who doesn't know the team, who doesn't understand what they're working on, by somebody who is coming from outside, some external reviewer, some external auditor, who comes in, checks what's going on, and reports to you, Tony, to the owner of the project, to the owner of money, what's going on and how things are and what are the problems and how those problems can be fixed. And you need to get that reviewer regularly, and you need to change that reviewer from time to time. So you don't get stuck with one reviewer. You don't work with one person for a long time, because again, you're going to put too much trust in that person. You need to get a new reviewer every second week. And you pay that reviewer by the hour, or you pay by the results. So you find somebody, and then somebody gets into the project, that's somebody, and you pay for 2-3 hours of work, maybe 4 hours, that's the maximum. And you get some results, get some report, and then you show that report to your programmers, and you ask them to address those concerns. And you improve things by that. You help your programmers to know, to understand that you care about quality, and they need to care about quality as well. In that case, you're not going to be in a need to disband the team when you completely lose trust in them. You will be able to manage any team of any quality, well, within, of course, reasonable limits. And here's my recommendation where to find those experts. We in Xerocracy have a Telegram chat where people are talking about Xerocracy. There are programmers who work in Xerocracy, and there are about 400 people right now. 400 programmers, pretty good programmers. So what you can do, Tony, is you can join this Telegram chat, and you can just say there that, hey guys, I'm looking for somebody who can help me review my Java project, and I'm ready to pay for 4 hours of your work. And they're going to charge you like what, $40 an hour, or $50 an hour, I don't know, $80 an hour. How much it's going to be for you? A few $100s you're going to spend every 2 weeks. So it's going to be like up to maybe $400 a month. That's total. That's all you can spend on that audit. But the value you're going to get out of that is way bigger than that money. It's way bigger. So just join the chat, announce they're all remote, they're all freelancers. You don't need to meet them, you don't need to call them, you just give them access to your repository, you give them access to where you need, they need to get in, and then they just check everything. You give them credentials, you of course sign some NDA agreement with them, sign some contract. We can help you with that as well, and then you pay them. You can pay PayPal, you can use Zold, our cryptocurrency, to pay them. They all accept those things. They are freelancers ready for that kind of work. You will feel more comfortable in that case. You will know that somebody is checking your stuff every week or every 2 weeks, and you will not be afraid of losing everything eventually when it's going to be time, as you're saying, to disband your team. And I can only assume that you're working for a year or maybe longer with this team, and now you feel that the things are starting falling apart, and it's time to cancel the whole team. Don't wait that long. Start checking your project now, and I'm suggesting how you can find those people. You don't need to go to Upwork, you don't need to check their quality. You can get to our Telegram chat, and when somebody from our chat says that I'm ready to help you, you can check the reputation of that person on our website, on Xerocracy website. They all have reputation, they all have points, and good people, good programmers, they have decent reputation in our projects. So you hire only the best. And there are like 20, 25 people from the top list. So you will have a choice to pick the right person. And every time you try to pick a new one, that's how you will get a variety of opinions. And you will see exactly what's going on. You will be able to make your decisions earlier, and your team will improve. Your team will know that quality matters, and they will improve, and everything will be done better in your project. And thanks for your email. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.